Hi guys, Mrs. Gillette back again with some more math reasoning practice. These are questions where they'll ask you to put things into groups, to divide into equal groups. Let's have a look. So, number 2, John puts these apples in bags. He puts 5 apples in each bag. How many apples will be left over? Now, I wouldn't even count these apples. I would just count 5 apples at a time and put a circle around them to put them into groups of 5. Okay, so there's my first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a circle around it. Let's find another 5. I'm going to go underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a circle around that one. Let's find another 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've only got 2 left. We can't put 2 into a group of 5, can we? So that is how many we would have left over. Okay, and I want you to be drawing these groups. I want you to be drawing these circles, special agents, because this will show me that you understand what you've been asked to do. Okay, well done. Oh, another one. Number 3, 4 children share these shells. They each get the same number of shells. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shells. How many shells does each child get? Now we're going to have to do the opposite here. We're going to have to, I would put them into groups of 4. And how many groups we've got will help us here. A bit tricky trying to catch you out here because we're not expected to know how to divide by 4 in year 2. So I would put them into groups of 4. And then just count how many groups of 4. Okay, so there are 3 groups because 12 divided by 4 is 3. So each child would get 3 shells. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. Okay, and 12 divided by 3 is 4 because these facts are connected. So they would get 3 shells each. Number 1. Oh, we've got some boxes here. We've got 10 pencils, 20 pencils, 5 pencils, 5 pencils, 10 pencils, 20 pencils. Kemi and Ben, that's 2 people, share these pencils equally. How many pencils do they each get? Okay, so I'm going to look at each box of pencils. I'm going to see if there's any that's the same. And I'm going to just put a K for Kemi and a B for Ben. That's my first job. So I'm going to give Kemi 20 pencils. Oh, there's another box of 20 there. I'm going to give those to Ben. Then I'm going to see what other box is next. Oh, I'm going to give Kemi 10 pencils. Put a K on there. Is there another box of 10? Yes, there is. I'm going to put a B for Ben. And then we've got 2 boxes of 5. That's brilliant. We can give Kemi a box of 5, a K there, and Ben a box of 5. But it asks us how many pencils do they get each. So we've not finished yet. We need to do something to work out the answer. So let's just put a circle around all the boxes of pencils I've given Kemi. We've got 20, add 10, add 5. Let's add them up. What's 20 add 10? That's it. 20 add 10 is 30. Add 5 is 35. Fantastic. And sometimes you may need to do 2 things to help you get the answers. That's absolutely fine. We take our time. We don't rush. Okay, well done. Number 4. 10 children can sit at one table. Counting in tens now. There are 43 children. How many tables are needed so that each child can sit at a table? Okay, now we need more than 40, we need 43. So we might have a table where not every chair is filled. So you might not need to draw this out, you might just be able to count in your tens, but I'm going to draw it out to show you. So each blue square is going to represent a table. So we're counting in tens. And we need to get as close to the number 43 as we can. So 10. Okay, number 10, calm down. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now that's not enough. We need 43. So 3 children might need to sit on another table by themselves. So how many tables have we used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got space for 50 children, which means 43 children will all get a seat and we will have some left over. Well done. Number 5. Ella has 12 counters. She puts them into threes like this. How many 3s can she make all together? Now we've started learning our 3 times tables in class, and you might know that 3 times something is the same as 12, but if in doubt, draw it out. So I'm going to draw groups of 3 dots and count them as I go on until I get to the number 12. So let's have a look. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I'm just going to put a circle around each group of 3. Stopped at 12 because that's the number I'm getting to. How many times did I draw 3 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And if I put 4 fingers up and count in 3s, 3, 6, 9, 9, 9, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Well done if you knew it that way. Part B. She puts the same number, so 12, into counters of 4. How many 4s can she make all together? So I would draw 12 dots and then split them into groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, put a circle around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, put a circle around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, put a circle around it, okay? And I've got 1, 2, 3 equal groups. Okay, number 6, another table question. They like to give you these. 20 children sit at tables in groups of 4. How many groups will there be? If in doubt, let's draw it out. Let's draw groups of 4 circles, counting as we go until we get to 20. So, okay, so counting in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant, I got to 20. Let's put circles around the 4s that I've drawn and see how many groups of 4 we've made. That's it. 5 equal groups of 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Well done. Number 7. Miss Smith needs 30 apples for her class. There are 5 apples in each bag. How many bags of apples does Miss Smith need altogether? Now, when we share something into equal groups, we divide. 30 divided by 5. We could use our 5 times table here. 5 times something is 30. I'm going to count in 5s to work this out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Let me just show you that in pictures. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6. 5 times 6, so she would need 6 bags. Well done, special agents. Leave me a like.